Hi, I'm Lee from Pacific Helmets. We're a New Zealand-based manufacturer and coming to you live from FDIC 2023. I'm the International Business and Sales Development Manager, and I'd love to talk you or give you an introduction of what we do. Our company has been around for 42 years. We've been manufacturing structural firefighting and specialist rescue helmets from New Zealand and distributing to the world. Our market within the USA has been particularly strong and healthy, and we're very excited to be launching our new product. The new Halo Flex system, as you can see, is a totally different, revolutionary internal lining system. The buckles, everything's designed to pull apart rapidly for decontamination. It's tool-free maintenance, and it still comes, so you can see that there's no more ribbon set. You have a perfectly great impact mesh system. Still have the one-touch eye protector that drops down, and the system at the moment is a quick clip in, so you can use a flat tool on either side and you twist and the eye protector will pop out and you can replace it really easily. The neck protector is attached to the arms, so if you change it from 6 to 12, or if you change it from into a 6 and 12 position, you can then slide the neck protector off and replace it. The ratchet adjustable headband offers a sizing from 54 centimeters up to 65 centimeters. The helmets are currently undergoing, they've passed all the testing and waiting for NFPA 1971 certification, which we're really excited about. The feedback we've had from everyone who's tested our helmet or tried our helmet on has been phenomenal. So we're looking forward to putting you in a Pacific and getting you introduced to our company as we go. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you give us a follow. We're on Instagram, Facebook. Our website is pacifichelmets.com. We'd love to see you in the Pacific and we'd really love to hear from you. So give us a shout out and enjoy FDIC. We'll see you next year.